Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports, where we've just acquired this very rare, lovely looking coloured Mercedes MX-3 Sport NAV. Lovely metallic, like a BMW extra blue I'd call that. Wheels are all in lovely condition. Paintwork's lovely, rear privacy glass, rear park distance control. I believe this has a rear camera as well. Twin exhausts, nice sports body styling kit round it. Drives fantastic. So it's in lovely condition. So the car boot area is lovely. Got the parcel shelf, have extra storage space under there as well. Half leather, all in lovely condition. Electric rear windows, carbon fibre there. Carbon fibre here as well. 4 electric windows, electric mirrors. No wear on the seat bolster. Does not look or drive like the mileage. It's fantastic. Lane assist. Just start the car up. Starts lovely. Got a heads-up display that comes up there. Done just over 100,000 miles. Cruise control. Aircon's, yep, that's really nice and cold, that is. Satellite navigation. Reverse camera. 3-stage heated seats. Full iDrive pack there. Nice little armrest there. Bose speakers. Infotainment pack. USBs. Really has got a lot on it. Bluetooth connectivity. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.